Yeah, I got my Telfar bag, girl. Where we going? Where we going? Hey, you guys, and welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV.
Period.
If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know about my upcoming videos, and make sure you push that notification button so that way you are alerted whenever I upload a video. In this video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing by Telfar. Honey, we are getting these bags in. They're so cute. This time I'm doing a mini unboxing. So the last one I did was the medium size. So I have the small size, the smallest that they have available on their site. And I don't think I'm ever gonna want to try to purchase the large because I just don't think, I personally don't have a use for it at the moment, but who knows, you know, a few months from now, a year from now, I might decide to get the big one. But I already have the medium size one, and I purchased the black one, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox that one now. This one is not for me, it's for my sister Ebony, and I'm giving it to her for Christmas. So I'm recording this video a few days after Thanksgiving, so you guys won't see this until she actually opens up her gift because I don't want to ruin the surprise, right? It's a surprise. She's been talking about it. She actually put me on, to be honest, because I'm not one to really be on social media very often. And if I am, I'm looking at like yoga stuff, or like yoga or money, finance related stuff, or like zodiac, astrology type things. You know, I'm not really looking at what will be considered for most people like black excellence, or what's currently trending when it comes to purses, shoes, and jewelry, and like rappers and singers. And I'm just not really, like, I support it and I love black excellence, but I'm just not always on my phone looking at that through social media. Like, I like to read books. That's the way I express and like consume my black excellence, if that makes sense. I don't know. I like to support people, like watch YouTube channels of black women who are, you know, doing it and doing it well. I'm trying to be like that one day. But yeah, she actually told me about it. Telfar. It's hard to get. The bag is hard to get. And when I posted the white one that I already oh, wait a minute, girl, we need to put some lip gloss on. The lips looking real dry. Fenty saved the day. Much better. Much better. Okay, well, where was I? So yeah, it's hard to get. When I first posted my white one that I bought on my Snapchat, I got some DMs. Is it DMs on Snapchat? I don't know. I got messages sent to me asking me how did I get it, where did I go to get it, and I literally broke the steps down to them, like, this is how you get it. Because like one of my coworkers, well, my ex-coworker, he was saying he was trying to get it for his mom and his sister, and then the other girl I used to work with was saying she's trying to get it for herself. She said she's been trying to get it for months. And I said, sis, I tried one time after hearing about it after maybe a week, and I was able to get it. So it's really not that difficult. You just need to be on the lookout. Like, on the lookout, honey. Like, you gotta be ready to check out as soon as you see the alert. As soon as you, like, you gotta sign up and everything, whatever. If you want to know more about that, look into my last video that I posted about them, because I talk more about the brand and the detail. But I'm about to go ahead and open up the box, and we're gonna see how it looks. And if this is cute, honey, I'm definitely getting myself a mini. This is how the box looks. Oh. This is how the box looks. Oh, they got the address on both sides. This is how the box looks. It's not that big compared to my body. It's about, you know, shoulder length. It's like, you know, it's the mini one. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, this is how it looks. This is the box. We're opening it now, and we have the packing list. It has the address on there, where it came from. Came from New Jersey, where it was sent to Miami, Florida. And then it's just like the other bag that I opened up for you guys. It has the Ziploc bag, and it has the E, and it has the dust bag. Not E, it has the TC. Why did I say E? Telfar Clemens is what it stands for. The bag. Oh, girl, I'm about to say, why is it white? I'm about to say, Why is the bag, I said, this is a new edition, honey. Like that quickly, I was about to say, why is the strap black and why is the bag white? I did not wear that. But man, I don't really want to open it up all the way because this is hers. But I don't think it matters, does it? I can take the bag. Let's see. Oh, look at the mini. Look at the mini. That is so cute. That is so cute. Has the tags on the inside. It has the TC Telfar Clemens. There is no pockets on the inside, but there is the snap closure. That is so cute. This is so freaking cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. I'm not gonna undo the strap because this is her gift. I don't want to like completely, you know, I want her to feel like it's brand new when she gets it. So I'm not gonna undo the strap. This is how it looks. After she opens it, I'll have her take some pictures, I guess, maybe. We'll see if she wants to do that. This is how it looks. This is so cute. I like this. I really like the mini. The mini is so cute. And it has the embossed letters right there. This is so cute. And the price for this was, I think, $100 or $105. Flat shipping, flat fee, no shipping fee. How much was it? Shopping bag in the black. It doesn't tell you on here how much it costs. So let me go look on my phone. This is so cute. So cute. So I know that her boyfriend Reginald knows that she wants one of these too. So if he ends up getting her the same one, because I didn't ask him, I just went ahead and bought it. But if he ends up getting her the same color and the same size, I'll just keep this for myself. And that's just gonna be that. That's that on that. But this is so cute. That is so cute. This is so cute. I really like the black. It's cute. Let's see, can my phone fit in here? That's the ultimate question. Let's see, we're gonna put the lip gloss in there. What else do I carry? I don't have a card holder right now. I'm using a wallet I'm using a purse that's a wallet on the chain. So I don't have like actual, but I could fit my loose cards in here, but that's not really smart. You'd want to put a card holder in here. We know card holders are smaller than phones. So let's stick the phone in here and see how it looks. So if you stick the phone in here upright, it is sticking up, but if we lay it down, it definitely fits in there. This is how the phone looks. This is how the phone looks, and the lip gloss looks laying down. There's still a lot of space in there. That's it, y'all. That is so cute. This is so, it's just so mini. Like, it's just so little bitty, and it's just so like dainty, and like you can put your essentials in there, and it's so cute. It feels just like how the white one feels. The material. It's just so cute. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. But like I said, I'm not gonna undo the strap, the long strap, because it's not for me. But either I'll take pictures with it or I'll let her take pictures with it, and I'll post it here so you guys can see how it looks on the body. We're about the same height. This is cute. Oh. Yeah, I got my Telfar bag, girl. Where we going? Where we going? Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Make sure you support your local and non-local black businesses when you can. See you guys in the next video.